Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Going to do a quick video going over the top plays for tomorrow, September 22nd. First up here we got BCAN. This one I believe was on watch yesterday. Here we are fading some more, and there is no volume behind this move lower. So I'm thinking we are getting close to the bottom, and we'll see if we get confirmation of that with it breaking to new highs, demand coming in rather than low volume selling. Just looking for that quick reversal. We got that huge run up and just fade, 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 fade. We had a nice trade on this yesterday just for that quick pop, but overall the trend was downwards. It is on the backside, so it was a short little pop. And now here we are breaking to new lows. So once it fails to break down, we'll see we are close to a whole dollar, half dollar level. It tried really breaking down past 4.5, but it got to 426 lows, but nothing much besides that so far. So if we start getting a move holding 4.5 maybe VWAP and it starts breaking to new highs with a pickup in demand, that could be the bottom, and it could trigger a whole entire squeeze from shorts locking in their profits. VTAQ here, same deal, multi-day bounce. This one, I believe, didn't quite get to 150%, but it does have the general pattern we're looking for, the huge run-up and the selling that came through, and now we're looking for that bounce. We are moving a little bit here after hours, but low volume, just a little move. We'll see how it opens up tomorrow. As usual, if the play overdoes itself pre-market, I'll usually ignore it. The shorts would typically be out. You end up getting a choppy day. There are occasions where you do end up getting another move, but at the same time, you got this whole entire multi-day bounce here, and this is what I'm talking about. It just goes sideways, it gets choppy. You might get another quick pop, but you can tell by the choppiness that there's really a lot of indecision going on. So I don't know how many shorts would still be trapped in there, leading to that move higher. I'm not saying that move higher can't happen. I just don't know how long lasting it will be, so I usually stay away. But VTAQ here, not to go over it too much, just a simple multi-day bounce. Then we got SOBR. This one was a wild mover, late day yesterday. Took off for 200% or so. I forgot exactly what it was, but it went nuts. And now here we are, kind of going sideways. We got this little pop, not even little, it's like 50% midday here, which kind of ruined things for me, for being honest. I really wanted this to have a nice solid red day, so tomorrow could be a nice bounce play, but not that much of a red day. It's not like we're that far off of the resistance in the threes here, where it could easily move its way back to 4. So I'm waiting for this one to ideally gap down. That would be nice to see. A massive gap down, and then maybe tomorrow it starts trying to put in the bottom. But maybe if not tomorrow, sometime in the near future, keep an eye on this for a multi-day bounce, as now we have the confirmation of the backside with a massive red day here. So we'll see how this works out. It does have resistance around 3. We'll see if it gets back up there, if it squeezes higher, but I'm thinking we're going to start really pushing lower, and we'll just wait for the bounce play. VIRI. This one, not your typical bounce play. As you can see, not a huge run up and pull back. Here we just have a huge crash. And I'm thinking the same thinking applies. We're way off the highs. Any shorts are in this, they're going to start locking in the profits. This thing went from, call it 9. It was at 9. We're at 50 cents right now. This is insane. All in a matter of a few days. So it is trying to bottom out here around the 45-cent area. I had a quick little bump lower today, holding 44, but here we are trying to hold it. So we'll see if this thing could offer a nice bounce. This will definitely be on watch, as it does have some range to move. IMTE, lastly here. Another similar play where we don't have the huge run up. This thing only went from the mid ones to the low twos, but here we are going from 2 to 70 cent area here, all within a couple of days. Just very overextended to the downside. Should offer a bounce. It's like the same thinking when you see a play spiking and it's overextended within a couple of days. Shorts are going to be a little aggressive, and they're going to expect it to come down. Just it's the same thing, but your laptop or computer, it's flipped. Your screen's flipped. You got the overextension to the bottom, and now you're going to see dip buyers come in. Shorts starting to lock in their profits. So it's just the opposite side. So I'm thinking this could be a decent play for a bounce. But yeah, so we'll just wrap it up there. Didn't trade anything today. Quiet day for me. Hope someone out there, you guys are able to make some money or learn something. But there weren't really many opportunities that I saw. But besides that, just study up, get ready for tomorrow. Enjoy this watch list. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.